So, in the dynamic programming, after having looked at the transitive closure, that is Warshall's algorithm, we shall now move on to the next topic, that is all pairs shortest path. Okay. So, regarding this shortest path, you have already learnt one algorithm, that is a greedy method, in the previous module. So, single source shortest path. So, which is the algorithm? Yeah, it is Dijkstra's algorithm. So, Dijkstra's algorithm is used for the single source shortest path. The same thing we can apply here also, as the name indicates, all pairs shortest path means that you have to find the shortest path from every node to every other node in the graph. Okay, from one vertex to every other vertex in the graph. Therefore, the same Dijkstra's algorithm can be run considering each of the vertex, considering each of the vertex in each of the iteration. Okay. So, however, there is a better method using the dynamic approach, and this algorithm is called as the Floyd's algorithm. Floyd's algorithm. Okay. So, Floyd's algorithm is a better dynamic approach to find the all pairs shortest path. Okay. So, as we said, all pairs shortest path is to find the distances from each vertex to all other vertices. Okay. And we have to record these all the lengths, shortest path lengths from each vertex to every other vertices in what is called as the distance matrix. Distance matrix. Okay, call it as D. Distance matrix D. Therefore, each element Dij in the distance matrix D indicates the length of the shortest path from vertex I to vertex J. Okay, all right. So, we shall now look at how the Floyd's algorithm work. Okay. So, please recall the transitive closure, where the transitive closure of a graph is found by a series of n by n Boolean matrices. Similarly, here also in the Floyd's algorithm, we compute the distance matrix through a series of n by n matrices, through a series of n by n matrices, where n is the number of vertices. So, we call it as D0, D1 till Dn. Okay, till Dn. So, if you can just recall the transitive closure, where we found the transitive closure through a series of n by n matrices R0 to Rn, where R of k indicates each element Rij of k in the matrix Rk indicates it is 1 if there is a non-trivial path from I to j using k as the intermediate vertex. Similarly, here also d of k, here also d of k. So, each element Dij of k indicates the length of the shortest path from vertex I to vertex j using all the vertices less than or equal to k as the intermediate vertices. Okay, with all the vertices less than or equal to k as the intermediate vertices. Okay. So, in the transitive closure, the formula was Rij of k equals Rij of k minus 1, or it is Rik of k minus 1 and Rkj of k minus 1. So, if you understand and solve the transitive closure, then you can understand the Floyd's algorithm better. So, it is a straightforward slight modification of the transitive closure. Okay. So, here the formula goes like this. It is Dij of k equals Dij ij of k minus, I mean it is minimum of dij of k minus 1 comma dik of k minus 1 plus dkj of k minus 1. Okay. So, for all k value greater than or equal to 1, okay, and dij of 0, I mean the very first distance matrix is nothing but the wij weight matrix. Okay. So, we will better understand, we will come back to this formula after solving the example. Okay. Right.